In this video, I will show you how you can fix if your Samsung tablet is stuck on charging screen. Now currently we are not facing this issue, but if you're facing this issue, just follow the steps mentioned in the video so you could properly fix your problem. Now the first thing you should do is just perform a force restart on your tablet. Now currently we are not facing this issue, but if you are, just press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time until you see the Samsung logo on the screen. Now just press and hold the power button and the volume down button. Now just keep pressing and holding both of these buttons. And as you see the Samsung logo on the screen, just release both of the buttons. Now in most cases, a simple force restart fixes this issue. Now just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just check the charging cable of your tablet and check if it is damaged or not. And also make sure to use Samsung's original charger, because if you use a third-party charger or a charger which is not supported by Samsung, this will not only cause charging problems, but this can also harm your tablet. So make sure you use Samsung's original charger with your tablet. And after you do that, then just plug in your tablet into charge for 20 to 30 minutes. And after 20 to 30 minutes, your tablet will automatically show the charging percentage and it will start charging. But if this did not work, then just use a lower wattage charger with your tablet and leave your tablet plugged into charge for a few hours. And after that, just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just check the charging port of your tablet. Now, if there is any dust or debris stuck in the charging port, just use a soft brush and clean the charging port of your tablet. But if you have done all that and if none of these methods worked, then you might have a hardware problem with your tablet. Just take your tablet to any service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix if your Samsung tablet is stuck on the charging screen. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.